Hi, it's Marisa from BumblebeeApothecary.com. Today I'd like to talk to you about the BERKEY water filter and why it's our favorite choice for an in-home water filter. So this big silver thing here is our water filter system that we use in our home to filter our drinking water and any water that we cook with. It works by pouring water into the top of it, and then there are some filter cartridges underneath and also some black ones inside. It's a little bit harder to show you. The water goes through those filters and then goes down into the bottom chamber, and then you can get it out through the spigot. So that's how it works. We found that it's a very affordable option for a water filter. You do have to buy the unit up front, and then every so often you have to buy new filter cartridges, but compared to a lot of other systems out there, it's one of the more affordable options. So let's talk a little bit more about what exactly it filters out. So the black cartridges on the top section filter out most of the contaminants, and then the white ones underneath filter out fluoride. You can use it with just the black ones if you don't have fluoride in your city water or something like that. We do in this area, and we don't want fluoride in our water, so we go ahead and use the white ones as well. There are a lot of different contaminants that the BERKEY water filter removes from drinking water, which is why I really like it. It removes pathogenic bacteria, inorganic minerals, heavy metals, pesticides and volatile organic compounds, microorganisms, pharmaceutical drug contaminants. And the health benefits are pretty obvious of not having heavy metals and bacteria, pesticides, and pharmaceutical drugs. That's a huge benefit to not be having those in your drinking water. If you are going through a healing protocol like the GAPS diet and you're eating lots of bone broth and soup, or if, like you should, you're including lots of bone broth and soup in your meals on a regular basis, whether or not you're following the GAPS diet, it's really important to have high quality water, not only for drinking and for making teas, but also for making those broths and soup. Another common water filter is the Brita, and the BERKEY is, in my opinion, a much better choice because the Brita does not take out fluoride. And I personally definitely don't want fluoride in my water, so that's why I choose this over the Brita. It usually takes our BERKEY filter about an hour or less to filter all the way through with water. It's pretty quickly. If it does start slowing down, that just means that the black filters need to be cleaned. You can take them out and scrub them off and put them back on, and then that usually works really well to just give them another boost for filtering more quickly. When the filters are brand new, they do need to be primed, so that's something to know ahead of time. If you're interested, I can go in another video and talk about how you set one up and prime the filters and all that, so leave me a comment if you're interested in that. We try to clean it out on a regular basis too, empty everything out, wash it out with soap and hot water, let it air dry. It's good to just do that every now and then. So that is really my review of the BERKEY water filter. We're really happy with it. I love how pure the water comes out, great tasting, gets rid of all of those dangerous things that I don't want in our water. It's really simple, easy to use, and a very inexpensive option for high quality drinking water. So let me know in the comments if you have a water filter system and what kind you use. I'll have a link below to where you can get a BERKEY water filter if you're interested in getting one yourself. And if you're new, I also wanted to mention that I have a free ebook. It is called DIY Personal Care Recipes. It shows you how to make toothpaste, deodorant, and sunscreen in your own home. There will be a link below to that free ebook if you'd like to grab it. It's a great way to be able to skip the toxins found in commercial personal care products and make them easily and inexpensively at home. Okay, so I hope that you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That'll help other people find it. Share it with anybody else who you think might find it interesting. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make new videos every week on nourishing recipes, natural remedies, and DIY skincare and home products. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.